2025 GMC Yukon. With less than 6,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.